philosophy is very lofty and it is very attractive. But if you don't practice, then they are not useful. They are futile. Okay. We can carry very high philosophies in our lives, but in our actions, if you do not implement, then that will not change our lives. That will not bring any, transformation in our lives. So the philosophy was discovered to bring the revolutions or the changes in our visions, in our life actually, and that will result that a transformed life. Okay, so here you are learning yoga philosophy. There are 6 philosophies in India. You have learned. Okay, Nyaya. Nyaya is first. Nyaya. Vaishesika, Mimansa, Samkhya, Yoga, and Vedanta. They are 6 philosophies. Okay, and every philosophy leads you to the divine or to the ultimate reality, or the goal of all philosophies is only single, and that is complete transformation of life. Or philosophy is a way to see the life, the nature, the truth, existence. That is called philosophy. Okay. Philosophy is a way to see, a paradigm. Okay. Everyone has philosophy. In India, there is one philosophy called Charvak philosophy. Charvak. Have you heard the Jorba? Jorba in Greek. Okay, so he was also a philosopher. Jorba, you can Google. And in India, like him, actually in India, Charvak was a philosopher. Charvak, he was more older than the Jorba, and Charvak used to believe that yes, enjoy the life. That's it. Life is just this, enjoying the life. There is no God, there is nothing, no other goal. Just enjoy the life. That was his philosophy. So similarly, there are other philosophies. Every individual has philosophy towards life. And yoga philosophy teaches you that goal is to get enlightenment, to awaken ourselves, and to re-establish ourselves into our divinity. That is the goal of yoga. Okay. Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha is Patanjali's sutra. Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Yoga is control of mind. And then Patanjali says, when your mind is controlled, then Tada Drashtu Swarupi Avasthanam. Means then a yogi is established in his or her own ultimate reality called divine. Swarupi Avasthanam. Swarup is our real form, our real self. Avasthan is to establish. So when we control our mind, then we establish ourselves into our ultimate reality, our existence. Okay. So that is yoga philosophy.